word Holocaust?
No.
Yeah, but what does the word mean?
There are two words, Shoah and Holocaust.
Sure. I know what's a Holocaust, but I don't know what's Shoah.
The Holocaust is when you are against a race,
Race.
a race, and you want to kill them because of the race. Maybe you are Japanese and you are against the Japanese and you want to kill all the
You
Japanese.
want to destruct
Yes,
a race.
yes.
Shoah is an old Hebrew word for sacrifice.
Holocaust means sacrifice.
Sacrifice. And Jews like to use this word, some of them at least, and say it was a sacrifice. Other ones say Holocaust, it means destruction, just simple destruction. So what happened? This is a little general history lesson. You all know the name of Hitler, of course. And you think it's a bad name. It's combined with bad, obscure, nasty things. Hitler was born in Austria, and he was from a very poor family. And he wanted to be a painter, an artist. But his paintings were not good enough, and he ended just like a painter of houses, and he was very frustrated.